Hey, Ms. Rowe, it's Anthony from Human Biology. For my disease project, I'm doing type 1 diabetes, so here's my presentation. Type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, once known as juvenile diabetes or insulin-dependent diabetes, is a chronic condition in which the pancreas produces little or no insulin. Signs and symptoms. Rarely do you see signs and symptoms occur, but when they do, they are hunger, fatigue, excessive thirst or urination, dry mouth and itchy skin, and blurred vision. Diagnosis. A blood sample will be taken after an overnight fast at the doctor's office. A fasting blood sugar level less than 100 mg is normal. A fasting blood sugar level from 100 to 125 mg is considered pre-diabetes. And if it's 126 mg or higher in 2 separate tests, you're diagnosed with diabetes. Causes. Type 1 diabetes occurs in your immune system. The body's system for fighting infection attacks and destroys the insulin-producing beta cells of the pancreas. Risk factor. More than 34 million Americans have diabetes, and approximately 90 to 95% of them have type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes most often develops in people over the age of 45, but more and more children, teens, and young adults are also developing it. Prevalence of diagnosed diabetes was highest among American Indian/Alaskan natives at 14.7%. People of Hispanic origin, 12.5%, and non-Hispanic blacks, 11.7%, followed by non-Hispanic Asians, 9.2%, and non-Hispanic whites. Treatments. Treatments for type 1 diabetes. Treatment aims at maintaining normal blood sugar levels through regular monitoring, insulin therapy, diet, and exercise. Prevention. You gotta cut sugar, that's the first thing. You have to work out regularly or even daily, it depends on the person. You have to drink a lot of water. Lose weight if you're overweight. You have to quit smoking. You have to be on a low carb diet. And you gotta watch your portion sizes. You can't be having too much. You can't be having sugar in your portion diets or portion sizes. Interesting facts. Diabetes is the 7th leading cause of deaths in the United States of America. Type 1 diabetes accounts for approximately 5 to 10% of deaths. More than 34 million people in the United States have diabetes, and 1 in 5 of them don't know they even have it. In the last 20 years, the number of adults diagnosed with diabetes has more than doubled as the American population has aged and become more overweight or obese. Here are 2 illustrations of patients at the doctor's office getting pricked after their night of fasting to get tested for their diabetes. And these are all my citations, and that's it. Thank you for watching this, and hopefully you had a good Thanksgiving break and also Christmas break. Thank you.